In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix PUBG Battlegrounds not launching or starting on PC. So first thing you want to do is open Steam. So here you want to find your game. Now I'm going to show it for this game as an example. You can follow the same steps for PUBG Battlegrounds. So right click on PUBG Battlegrounds and then go to Properties, Install Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now next you want to go here and go to Browse. So you'll see a browse option. Now you will see something that says PUBG.exe or PUBG Battlegrounds.exe. Just find the game file and then right click, then Properties, then Compatibility, then disable full screen optimization, and then run this program as run this program in compatibility mode. Then this run as an administrator, and then apply and OK. Once you do this, you want to go here and go to settings and then downloads, then click clear cache. And after that you can try, if you try running the game and it still doesn't work, try to close everything down. So if you see like a launcher here for Steam, close it down. If you see Epic Games launcher, close any launcher and go to Task Manager. And here if you see, let's say Steam or PUBG, just right click and close it down. You can close it down by clicking End Task. If you go to Details, do the same thing. If you see like PUBG, just right click and then End Process Tree. You can search for it to make it easier. Once you close everything down, try to restart the PC and try to restart the game, and this should fix the issue.